If you are between 15 and 17 in Texas, you need to complete a driver education course. Depending on the program, that means either 6 hours in the classroom or 24 hours if you chose the block method. You must also provide a high school diploma, a GED, or a verification of enrollment form. The VOE proves you're enrolled with at least 90% attendance and is valid for 30 days, or 90 days if issued during the summer. If you can't get a VOE, you can use your last report card with grades and attendance, or proof you're enrolled in a GED prep program. A learner license has some restrictions. You must always drive with a licensed adult at least 21 in the front passenger seat. You cannot use a cell phone, even hands-free, unless it's an emergency. You also have to hold the learner license for at least 6 months, and it expires on your 18th birthday. To apply, schedule an appointment at your local driver license office. Bring a parent or guardian unless you have proof you don't need parental authorization. Fill out the application form online or at the office. At your appointment, you'll need to show proof of citizenship or lawful presence, Texas residency, identity, and your social security number. You'll also need your driver education certificate, proof of passing the knowledge exam, and your school documents. After that, you'll give your signature and thumbprints, take a photo, pay the fee, and pass a vision exam. Once approved, you'll get a temporary paper permit the same day. Make sure all the details are correct before leaving.